Hello friends. Welcome to my channel RS Computer Solutions. Today in this video tutorial I'm going to show how to install Gophish the phishing framework on Kali Linux. We first go to gophish.com to download the framework. Click the download button, that will take you to the GitHub. And you can go down here to find out the version that you want to use on your system. There are different build versions available, so you can pick based on your operating system. Downloaded the 64-bit Gophish Linux version. Extract zip file. Open the Gophish configuration file. Check localhost and port number. Now open the terminal. Go to Gophish location from terminal and type the below command. Press enter. Installation process complete. Now log in Gophish from the local host and use the port number. See the default password from the terminal. Copy this password and paste it here. Now reset your default password. Now we are in Gophish dashboard here. We have the various options. We can create campaigns, we can create users and groups, and we can create email templates, landing page. In this video, I'll just show you guys how to install or set up the Goldfish on a Kali Linux.